Guys, today I will show you the second part of Onam festival drawing. Still, if you have not seen that first part, then you can find the link in the YouTube description box below. I am going to use Camel Artist X watercolor for this painting. Basically, the color name I have already mentioned in the YouTube description box. You don't need to worry about that. So please follow my video and follow my every step the way I am showing you. If you follow these steps the way I am showing you, then you can also draw this drawing very easily. So don't skip this video, watch it till the end. I hope you will learn a lot of things from this video. So guys, without any further delay, let's start this drawing. Guys, right now I have started coloring. You can see I am using gamboge yellow color. Right now I am using the dark color on the upper surface, and the lower surface I am blending with the color with water. So see, first I am using gamboge yellow, then I will use the another yellow color. Now I am again using chrome yellow color, guys. On the below portion I am blending this color with the page with the help of waters. See, the one ray is gamboge yellow, I mean the lighter color. Another ray is darker color, which is chrome yellow. Already telling you in my every video, the way I am showing you, if you follow my voiceover, then you will learn a lot. I am hoping that this kind of a video and the way I am teaching you, that will be helpful for you. Right now I am using orange color and I am blending this color with the water, as you can see. So first what I have done, on another ray I have used chrome yellow. Right now I have used orange color. I am using light green color, guys. If you don't have light green color, you can make this color with the help of yellow and sap green. This is very easy technique, guys. This is not a wet on wet technique. This is a wet on dry technique. So now you can ask me one question: what is wet on wet technique, sir? What is wet on dry technique, sir? Wet on wet techniques is when you use wet color on the wet surface, that is wet on wet technique, and when you use wet color on the dry surface. Right now my page is dry, you can see I am using wet color on it. So this is wet on dry technique. See, the wet on wet technique is little difficult than wet on dry technique, but wet on dry technique is easier. So I am using wet on dry technique. You can consider this painting as an illustration painting, guys. So guys, if you feel that we are doing a good job and this kind of a video will help you a lot, then please like or share this video. And please comment in the description box. If you don't comment, then how will we learn that this type of the way we are showing you, this is the right way. See, I cannot mention color name in the screen. I have mentioned the color name in the YouTube description box. If you want, you can go and visit. If you want to see the very basic drawing from us, then you can visit our another channel, which is RangCanvas Digistars Art Room. You can find the link in the YouTube description box below. On that channel we are showing very basic and beginners level drawing. You can find the drawing which is related to competition. You can find the drawing which is related to subject drawing basically, or the topic wise drawing. Suppose the summer season drawing, rainy season drawing, suppose an indoor game, suppose a future city, suppose any kind of easy drawing. Suppose if you want to see the easy teachers day drawing, you can find the drawing on this channel. So that channel, if you are a beginner, that will be very helpful for you guys. See, right now I am coloring the water portion. What the color I am using, that is first I have used the cobalt blue, now I am using the cerulean blue. Don't worry, I have already mentioned this color name in the YouTube description box. You can find the details there. So right now I am using pink color because I don't have pink color. I am using crimson color. A little bit of water I have mixed on this color. Right now I am using grey color. Basically this is light black color again. So right now I am coloring the dress part. As you can see, the King Mahabali का dress जो है, right now I am using again gamboge yellow, and here I am using chrome yellow. The skin color I am using, that is basically salmon pink type colors, guys. This is not a ready-made color. I have made that color with white and little bit of orange color. Now I am doing the color on the hand portion. Guys, if you want to see the static image, you can find the static image link in the YouTube description box. So I have done whatever you need. Right now I am doing the color of crown the King Mahabali is wearing. Right now I am using brunt sienna on the umbrella stick. Again yellow color. Now I am adding the second tone. I have increased the orange portion here. So orange and mix of white. The orange portion is little darker, white portion is less. Guys, right now I am using orange color, to define the dimension on the crown. Right now I am using raw crimson color. If you don't have crimson, you can use vermilion instead of that. Basically, don't use orange color, or you can use dark red if you have. See, right now I am adding the second layer on the dress portion, which is orange color. Right now I am using again raw crimson to design the dress. Guys, if you don't have this cakes watercolor, if you have tube watercolor, you can use tube watercolor instead of this watercolor. I am using Camel Artist Cakes watercolor. If you don't have Camel Artist Cakes watercolor, if you have another brand watercolor, then you can use also this kind of watercolor. So that will, from my knowledge, that will not be any problem for this drawing. Now I am using gamboge yellow color to design the dress. Right now I am using sap green color. See, the way I am showing you, again I am telling you have to follow all these steps very carefully. If you skip these steps, you will learn nothing. I can show and guarantee you that, basically. Right now I am adding details with the help of brunt sienna color, guys. You can have, if you have brown color instead of brunt sienna, basically brunt sienna is a shades of brownie basically, guys. So if you have brown or brunt sienna, whatever you have, you can use that. See, I have showing you on the zoomed version so that you can learn this drawing very easily. My drawing is motamoti complete, guys. If you feel that this drawing is helpful for you, then please like or subscribe this channel if you want, and comment me below in the comment section that is that helpful for you or that was not helpful for you? So guys, this was our Onam painting video. I hope that was helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this video, guys, please like and share this video. And if you feel that we are doing, again I'm telling you, we are doing a good job. If you guys are feeling that we are doing a good job, then you can subscribe this channel, and I am hoping that that channel will be a very helpful for you if you are a beginner. So guys, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए सही सलामत रहिए. See you, bye bye.